Are you fascinated by the stars and want to turn your camera to the cosmos? Welcome to your ultimate beginner's guide to astrophotography. Astrophotography is the art of capturing celestial events, star trails, galaxies, and the Milky Way using a camera. It's where science meets creativity, freezing the universe in breathtaking images. To start with astrophotography, you don't need the most expensive equipment. Here's what you'll need: a DSLR or mirrorless camera, a sturdy tripod, a wide-angle lens with a fast aperture f/2.8 or lower is ideal, and optionally, a star tracker for longer exposures. Let's talk settings. Set your camera to manual mode. Use these starting points: shutter speed 20 seconds, aperture f/2.8, ISO 1600 to 3200, focus manual, set to infinity and fine-tune using live view. The best time for astrophotography is during a new moon when the sky is darkest. Find a location far from city lights. Look for a Bortle scale of 1 to 3 for ideal conditions. Use apps like Photopills or Stellarium to plan your shots. A great astro shot isn't just about stars. Include interesting foregrounds, like mountains, trees, or buildings, to add depth. Use the rule of thirds, and try framing the Milky Way diagonally for dramatic effect. Editing is where the magic happens. Use software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop to boost contrast, reduce noise, highlight stars, enhance colors in the sky. Avoid these beginner mistakes: blurry stars due to camera shake, overexposing the sky, forgetting to bring extra batteries, shooting without checking weather forecasts. Ready to go deeper? Try stacking images for better detail, or experiment with star trails and deep sky objects using a telescope and tracking mount. Astrophotography takes patience, but every photo is worth it. Don't compare yourself to professionals. Learn, practice, and enjoy every starry night. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more astrophotography tips,